Alright, I am going to be playing I Became a Dog. My head hurts. I don't remember what happened. Though I recall falling asleep yesterday after drinking like a fish. I just woke up and realized I had become a dog. What a creepy situation. I should come to my senses and look around. Why did I randomly just get a British accent? I should look for a way to go back to being human. There we go. Alright. Wolf. Oh yeah, wolf. Oh yeah, I forgot. I played this game before. You eat more kibble and then you can understand the dogs better. I feel like I'm gonna die. My name's Sony, a creature far beyond the dog. My name, huh? Alright, I should give him more advice. Well, he's kind of like, I think, I don't know, friend cockroach. Oh yeah, he can collect bugs, that's technically the money. I'm gonna give him like a little accent, but also you're new, huh? You're wondering why I'm jumping. Well, actually, I was actually a human, but I turned into a dog. After a lot of researching, I found a way to become human again. 1 million jumps like this and I'll become human again. Were you also human? You seem to understand what I'm saying. Try to do it like me if you want to become a person again. These cockroaches or whatever freaking keep like running into me. This old dog. Oh, I should give him like a little over I guess. This old dog seems to be talking my language. Was he really human? Well, if he was talking your language, yes then. Okay, why can the insects like no clip through walls? Oh yeah, that guy who actually likes mice. Spoiler, likes mice. Alright, I swear to God, they keep running into me. What? Oh, couldn't read it for a second. So what? Language level 1. Oh God, I gotta hurry, cause me eating involves. I miss the dang food. I need food. No, because I'll starve. But so then I can get my language level up, and I can start understanding dogs, the rest of the dogs more. I can locally understand those guys. So I have somebody to talk to. You idiotic bug. Come here, bud. Another one just ran into me. Dang it, I didn't get it. This gameplay might be boring, so if you don't want me to play it, I don't have to. Or if you guys do want me to turn this into a series, I can. And I have 2 series to do, which this series might be finished. Well, the only reason that this special delivery series will finish is when I get bored of it. It might take a while because I like FNAF a lot. So I think there might be at least 20 episodes or something, videos of special delivery. They're blocking my dang. He jumps. He only stops jumping when they go eat to start eating. DVD player is connected to the TV. Oh yeah, we can interact with stuff. I don't get to use the phone these days. You can't think. Another stupid bug just ran right into me. All you need is tap and then just go that way. As you can see, there's no cursor. It's an oven gas stove. Notes and photos are attached to the fridge. I should get back over here for when food starts. I get my level to 2. Alright, it's level 2. So I can understand people. or dogs more better. Woof 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 woof. Alright, I can't understand her, but can I understand him a little bit? Wait. Hey you, woof. I don't know. Woof 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 woof. Yes, I get to level 3. Maybe I can understand her or him a little bit better. Understand her. I start understanding her or understand him a lot better. What room is he guarding? He's guarding the bedroom. Okay, also, when I finish this, there's a second game. I forgot that out. Also, there's a game, I think it's like this, I don't know, I haven't played it yet. It's called, Street Cat's Tale. I'm not gonna freaking make it. I'm not gonna make it. Why do I leave alright, and I'm just gonna go back and search around. Do you think it's kind of like kindergarten or whatever, where there's quests? I don't remember. I haven't played this game in a while. Dishes are neatly arranged. Sink? Let me interact with the sink. Can I use my doggy hands to take the knife and shank all my friends except for the jumping boy because he's the only person I can understand, so I'd rather talk to him. Also, I like to understand him. I'm not going to spoil anything, though. There. You dirtbags. Literally, because you guys are dogs. Wait, I'm a dog too. Ah! Let me guess, I can't go in here. I can't go in anywhere. I'm gonna talk to him again. Don't talk to me because I'm tired. You don't understand what the other dogs are saying to you. Beneath the dog food, you'll gradually understand their language. That old guy speaking nonsense. Also, I forgot to give them. Should I do voices for them? I'm not in this episode, but in the next episode, if you want me to, I will do voices for them. Which, this looks like a girl, and... Oh my god! I did not mean to start eating it. I tried to turn around and start walking, and right in front of me. So that was great. Oh wait, I'm level 3 now. Hi, woof woof. You seem to be woof. I think it's gonna be. You seem to be new here. Woof woof. This place is woof woof woof. Woof. I have no idea. You understand some of it, you idiot. Hey, you mutt. I don't know Wolf came from. Woof woof. Hey, you mutt. I don't know where you came from. But leave now. I don't know. I'm just guessing what it's gonna say. Wait, can I understand him more? My favorite character? Wait. Wolf, get rid of that. Wolf say. Alright, I can only understand 2 words from my favorite character. Haha. Just because he's in dirt stuff like I am. Not right now. Doesn't mean he's my favorite character. I actually like him a lot. Run! Dang it, he's faster than me. I'm a 4. You mutt. I don't know, Wolf, where you came from yet. Hi. You seem to be Wolf here. Let's become... This place is Wolf, and once I have... I'm thinking it's gonna say like boyfriend or like freaking. You know, if you're guarding that door, and a bug just went in there, you're a terrible guard. Also, I think. Oh, it's locked. I almost got in there. I know I can get in there, but it's locked. Notes and photos are attached to the fridge. Oh, this has already been 10 minutes. I'm about to go to sleep anyways. This video can upload while asleep. So I'm gonna click continue going. Hi, my name is Wolf. You seem to be Wolf yet. Let's become. Wait, what did my character say? I don't understand. I should eat some more dog food. Hey, Mund. I don't know where he came from. Wolf. Yes, I'm getting. I actually pretty close. You seem to have lost a lot of weight since I first saw you. Would you bring me 10 bugs? Then I'll pass down a special technique for survival. 10 bugs I shall try. You now shout as a dog. I pass along the special technique as promised. The name of that's exactly barking for free. I love this. I would always spam it as much as I can so I can just level up my freaking thing. So that's what you're gonna see. Me grinding that button. Well, get dog food instantly if you use this technique. I can't even read. Abracadabra. Abracadabra. Mission completed. I learned barking. I thought that said barkling. Yeah, this channel's gonna turn into like some those weird rip-off SML channels and a gaming channel on my phone, but you're only gonna get phone games because you don't have the right crap to juice. So I don't have the right equipment to do computer games. I was so close to level 5, so. Dang it. Hi, my name is Tommy. You seem to be woof, woof, woof. Let's become woof, woof. This place woof, woof. And once you're woof, if I have a small, favor, yeah. Let me go, thank you. Hey, you mutt. I don't know where you came from, but I don't know where he came from, but live a quiet life. Just poop, okay. I think I'm just gonna end it off here, or actually no. Just poop. Alright, so. No, mommy, eat my butt instead of dog food. No man's ate first. Tommy barely got anything. Haha. Let me talk to you. Hi, my name's Tommy. You seem to be a new face. Let's become close friends. This place is great place to live in once you settle down. Actually, I have a small favor. Will you do it? Now I think I know what you mean. Can I understand your second? Get lost. Get lost. How about you get lost, you stupid dark? 9 or 8. Give me the 9, please. Don't want to get lost, so now you don't get to eat. Oh no, why do I have to keep feeding these stupid animals? Hi, my name is Tommy. Actually, I have a small favor to ask. Will you do it? Yes. I want you to go poison him. I want you to go poison the big white dog so that I can unlock it and then get in there and then get into our owner's plastic toy, if you know what I mean. I love my life. Kinda. Actually, I don't really. Haha, jokes. Wait, what the frick did you say, brother? Bugs can be used as money here if you save them up. They will surely be useful. I'm not streaming. I've been making this video for 11 minutes. 15 minutes. Bark, bark. Bork, bork. You didn't let me get to level 15. Give me your bitch. No. Oh God. Stupid ad. No. Alright. I want you to bring me the toilets in the bathroom. Okay. It's locked though. I have 21 bugs. You stupid animals. Oh, I leveled up twice. Alright, what do you want? Hey Mutt, do you happen to know we dogs love bugs? Because bugs are a good source of food, you know. Okay? Wolf, woof, and dog food. Woof. Bro, he be already eating. Haha, Tommy. I'll be the first person to eat. Alright, now this is getting boring for you guys probably. Oh, wait, whoa, before I end the video. I'm hungry. I used to eat a lot of mice back then. Yuck. I don't have any mice. Also, I still believe that guy's a cat. I believe that guy's a cat. Probably because he wants to eat mice, or used to eat mice. He only starts jumping to eat. Wish me some money here, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, bark bark bark. Please find it quickly. Bro, I need the bathroom key. Hey Mutt, do you happen to know we dogs love bugs? Bugs are a good source of protein. There's not enough protein in dog food. Bring me bugs, okay? Bring me some bugs. You know. Oh. Right. I think I know what he's gonna give me. He's gonna give Tommy. I swear to God, I'm gonna kill you. I'm not bringing you your stupid toy. Bork, bork. Alright, can I see what you want now? Give you a huge gift. You said I'd give me a huge gift? Alright, so I'm gonna end the video here. Like and subscribe because it's getting 20 minutes. Don't want to make it too long of a video because I gotta upload it, and I don't really want to upload it in a bit long. I'm going to bed anyway, so why does that matter? But if you like this game, like and subscribe. I'll turn this into a series. So see you later, guys, and see ya in the next video.